up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am about to do an unboxing. So, and I'm gonna need what is it, on track to get with they shipping and stuff, because look at my iPad. Y'all like it? It's so cute. I put the little stickers on it, but yeah, because let me see. When I look on that app, the shop app, it didn't give me no update or nothing, and I feel like it's supposed to give you an update. Like, look, okay, it says that this package is supposed to arrive tomorrow. Like, it says arrives tomorrow, but it came today. Y'all need to update y'all stuff. Anyways, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that because yeah, I need to update that shit. Anyways, let's go. Let's open this. So one of these things I already used, but I got the smaller version for my birthday. I got the smaller version. It came in a birthday pack for my birthday last year. So today I decided to get the bigger version because I liked it so much. Yeah, so let's just show you the starter show. So I got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This stuff smells so freaking good. Like, it just smells so good. I absolutely love it. Like, oh my goodness. I got that 8 ounce, so let's just open it up. Oh my goodness, I'm so ready for this. Oh, this is what it looks like. I got the smaller version of this in a birthday pack, and I fell in love. Let me go ahead and open it. Boom. Oh, I'm in heaven. And it's so thick. So thick. Oh my god. This stuff smells amazing. Ooh, yes. It just smells so freaking good. Like, I don't know. I got this for a birthday pack, the mini version last year, and I was just hooked on it, like literally hooked on it. Now, it is $45. It is $45, but this is gonna last you a long time. I feel like this is gonna last you. Like, it's fast absorbing. Like, if you don't want to spend the $45 on this, or is it 45? It's either 45 or 40. But I feel like if y'all buying that Fenty Beauty butter, which is coming, I want that next. If y'all buying that Fenty Beauty butter, if you can buy that, you can buy this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the same. That is, the Fenty butter is like $40. So if y'all can buy that, y'all can buy this. And it's at the same place, Sephora. This is going to definitely be my go-to smell for my stuff. Like, I absolutely love this stuff. I'm going to get everything. I'm gonna get the body spray, the body oil. I'm gonna get everything. They even have shampoo and conditioner, but I ain't finna. Nah, I'm good. But yeah. So this is the Bum Bum Cream to help tighten and do everything it needs to do. But I literally don't care. I don't care if it tighten anything. I'll just love it because of the smell, and the smell lingers. Like, it lingers. So what I got for my birthday set, this is the Laneige okay. Oh, it says happy birthday to you. Oh, this is so cute. So I got this for free This is what it looks like, the Laneige little birthday set thing. And if y'all don't know, my birthday is June 29th. It's coming up. So today is, what's today? Hold on. Today is June 16th. My birthday is June 29th. I'm turning 23. Wish me happy birthday, because it's my birthday. But yeah, so this is the Water Bank Moisture Cream. I don't know who's calling me. But yeah, this is the Water Bank Moisture Cream. Let me see the direction. I guess it's just a soothing, hydrating cream. I don't know. Let me see how they smell, because I don't want to put nothing that stink on my face. Okay, this actually smells decent. Okay, and then I got the water sleeping mask. Okay, I heard that this was like $22. Who really finna do that? And then I got the lip sleeping mask. Okay, you don't really get a lot of product in here though. Like, that's how much product you get. Maybe overpriced. So I'm gonna try these out, see how they are. And yeah, Water Bank Moisture Cream. Because I do need something for when I don't use. The only thing I use to hydrate my face is this is the only thing that I put on my face. This is the moisturizing sunscreen. Like, this is the only thing that I use on my face. And when I don't want to use this, like, I do need like something, I do need a moisturizer for my face. So I feel like this could definitely substitute that. I have been looking for a moisturizer because, you know, on the days that I don't go out, I feel like I'm wasting product. Does that make sense? Because it's like, I'm not in the sun, so it's like, why am I using this? You know what I'm saying? Like, when I'll wash my face and then I'll use this knowing that I'm staying home, but it's so moisturizing. So I feel like this could take the place of this, because I feel like if I'm not in the sun, I shouldn't be using this. But this is really, really moisturized. Like, this is the only thing that I use on my face. Black girl sunscreen. Get your hands on it, even if you're not a black girl. Yeah, I feel like you could still use this even if you're not a black girl. I don't know. You don't ask me. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the only thing that I use. But as for me and my bum cream, I absolutely love this stuff. It smells so good. It is a great product. I've used it before. Like I said, you can get the sample size if you want to, but I feel like if y'all getting that Fenty Beauty for $45, which I'm not knocking, I'm gonna buy it too, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm getting it too. I'm gonna try it too. But I feel like this and the Fenty Beauty butter is basically the same price. This is just $5 more. So, you know what I'm saying? If you can get the Fenty Beauty, you can get this. Like, if you can get this, you can get the Fenty Beauty. Like, I'm just saying. Oh, they also have like I think they have installment. I feel like everything has like installment plans now. So if you don't want to pay all together, you can pay like in installments. I don't know. I'll have to look. I'm not sure, but I feel like everything has what's Afterpay. I feel like everything has Afterpay now, and you know, okay, I guess. But yeah, I absolutely love this stuff. Like this, I'm definitely gonna use this sparingly. Fast absorbing, and it really is fast. Okay, so let me read you the claims. Fast absorbing body cream helps visibly. Why am I visibly? Why am I having trouble saying that word? Tighten the appearance of skin. Now, I don't really remember if it was tightening because I had a small jar, so I would basically use it for my hands. So I don't really know if it was tightening anything because I didn't put it on anything that needed to be tightened. But it definitely is fast absorbing and it smells great. So let me just get another. Oh my goodness. And this scent reminds me of my birthday because I got it for a birthday gift. You know what I'm saying? So this scent reminds me of like around June. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know. It just smells so good. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm ready. Like, I am. Oh, I almost dropped it. I'm ready. But this stuff is really, really thick. I'm just so glad I have it now. I'm just so, oh my goodness. I'm glad I have it. The packaging is great as well. It says, we love our bodies and our planet. This box is recyclable, processed, chlorine free, and chemically compostable. Okay, pronounced boom boom. This will make your heart go boom boom. Oh, okay, I guess. We love a good recyclable box, you know. But yeah, I guess that is it for this video. It has acai fruit oil in here, kapuku butter, coconut oil. So this does contain coconut oil. If you are allergic to coconut oil, don't get this shit. Yeah, because I know some people are allergic to like coconut oil and stuff like that. If you're allergic to coconut oil, don't get this product. Okay, but always do your research before you get a product or whatever. I don't have any allergies, so I don't. But if you do have allergies, make sure you know you're doing your research before you buy something. And yeah, so oh, did I tell y'all you can get this at Sephora? And yeah, I'm gonna try the Laneige birthday set. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Stay updated with me on Instagram because sometimes I'm on there a lot more than I am on here. And yeah, y'all could just stay connected with me. I am going to, my hair needs to be washed, and I'm gonna straighten my hair, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I need a thumbnail. All right, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.